The Oregon Sea Grant operated Visitor Center is the public education space of the Hatfield Marine Science Center in Newport. The Visitor Center offers a unique, dynamic environment showcasing research and aquarium exhibits in which to explore marine science. Our staff and volunteers interact with over 150,000 visitors annually.
Part of my former life, I was a classroom teacher, but here at Hatfield I get to meet people from all over the world with all levels of knowledge.
Volunteers at the Hatfield Marine Science Center enhance visitors' experiences by creating a welcoming educational environment and long-lasting memories.
And so you can teach all generations about the wonderful wildlife we have here on the coast.
Educating in formal and informal settings is a huge part of what we do, and our volunteers play a significant role in that process. The volunteer program provides a platform for continued learning opportunities for volunteers by offering interpretive trainings and hands-on assistance with exhibit development and research efforts.
Basically, the big thing about Hatfield Marine Science Center, in my opinion, is that you start out doing something like volunteering in the Visitor Center, and then you can go in another direction if you want to. There's pretty much no top end to what you can do. Would I do it again? Yeah, I have. This has been a great 11 years for me.
So after 20 or so years, the metal infrastructure underneath these exhibits needed to be upgraded pretty badly, and the exterior look of all of the exhibitry in the Visitor Center also needed to be upgraded, so it worked out very well. And since the remodel last winter, all our exhibits are a lot more dynamic and engaging to our visitors, which reinforces the whole point of what we're trying to accomplish here in terms of marine education and making aquatic animals more accessible and available to all of our visitors, and all of the science that goes on in and around those animals here at Hatfield Marine Science Center. Enjoy this before and after perspective of the VC remodel.